Morning students, myself Harpreet Kaur. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start our chapter number 13 and the name of the chapter is Prepositions and its kinds. Now let's begin. So first of all, giving me the definition. So what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between a noun or a pronoun. Means preposition is a word which shows or which relates a noun or a pronoun and some other words in the sentences. For example, the Taj Mahal is one of the most famous buildings of the world. Here the word of stands as a preposition. So now let you know about the kinds of preposition. So first one is preposition of time. These prepositions are used to indicate the time of an action. As it is clear from its title, it is all about time. So which type of prepositions we will use as a preposition of time? At, since, in, for, during and on. They can be used as a preposition of time. For example, my school reopened in August. Bears hibernate during winter. I have lived in Mayur Vihar since 2010. Here the word in, during, in, since stands as a preposition of time. Now preposition of place. These prepositions indicate the position where something is located. The prepositions of place are at, in, between, behind, under, over, near, opposite, among, next, to, by and on. They can be used as a prepositions of place. For example, put these among the other presents. The cat is under the table. Here the word among and under stands as a prepositions of place. Now next one is preposition of directions. They indicate the direction. As it is clear from the title, it is all about the directions. They indicate the directions of something. The preposition to, over, up, down, up to, across, along, under, into, onto, right, left, through, towards and off are prepositions of directions. For example, the cat jumped onto the sofa. They walked along the beach. The train went through the tunnel. Means these onto, along and through. They tell us about the position of the sentence. Now see, there are some other preposition also which make us confused. So which are they? Since and for. Since tells us the moment of time when an action began. It tells us about the action, the moment of an action when it begins. And for tells us the duration of the action. It tells how long it lasted. For example, I have not seen him since last night. So here it shows the action or when the action begins. And I have not seen him for 4 days. Here it is telling us the duration of days. Okay. Now next one is between and among. Between suggests a position between two objects or people. It tells about two persons or two objects. Among indicates a position where more than two or more people are there. Means among indicates the position where more than two people are there or where more than two objects are there. For example, I sat between Sarah and Annie. Here the word between is used as a preposition. Rashid is popular among his classmates. Here the among is considered as more than two. Now next come the beside and besides. Beside mean next to or near. Besides mean in addition to. For example, the temple is beside the school means near the school. She is a good writer besides being a good editor. Here it is in addition that she is a good writer as well as a good editor. Now next is in and into. In suggests the position at rest. Into suggests movement from outside to inside. So for example, he is sitting in his room. He jumped into the water. Here in and into, they both shows different positions. Now next one comes objects of prepositions. So words which come after a prepositions are called object prepositions, means when they come after the words which come after a prepositions, they are called as objects. Like I am looking at your haircut. Here at is a preposition and your haircut is a object. I was referring to this film. To is a preposition and this film is a object of preposition, means it is a object here. Now come to the group prepositions. Besides single word, means like to, in, into, beside, among all these some other prepositions are there which are in group, like such as in spite of, in order to, due to, on behalf of, for the sake of, etc. I hope the chapter is clear to all of you. Thanks. Have a nice day.